Congratulations on finding your next clue or item on this journey of visual impairment. I will be talking about the key aspects and characteristics of visual impairments, and let's start with the definition. A visual impairment is an impairment in your vision that, even with corrective actions, adversely affects a child's educational performance. We have two aspects that are important to the understanding of visual impairment, which are acuity, the legal definition of blindness, based off of the clinical measurement of 20/20 vision, and a field of vision, which is the area that you can visually detect while keeping your head straight. So there might be a lack of vision peripherally, or, like the sun in my face right now, could be spotty of your vision. Then we have three tiers that describe visual impairments, which are low vision, functionally blind, and total blindness. Low vision include individuals who can read or see with the use of an optical aid, like myself with glasses. Functionally blind are individuals who typically use Braille or other assistive technologies for efficient reading and writing skills. And total blindness, which are individuals who have no meaningful input through their visual senses. Like we mentioned before at the table, it is important to remember that any malfunction or problems within the communication systems of your eyes or seeing system and your brain can affect a student's functionality. Key characteristics include how or when the loss of vision or impaired vision occurred. One is congenital, and this occurs at birth or typically before having visional memories. And the second is adventitious, and this is the acquisition of vision loss after having unimpaired vision. So being able to see and then having an event or an occurrence in your life that affected your vision and changed the way you're able to see. And the last area of importance that I want to hit on is that students with visual impairments have a limited ability to learn incidentally from their environment. This is picking up on visual clues that have little to no instruction or direction with them, so that we need to provide students with visual impairments a different form of instruction. This is also important to understand that touch is not always an effective substitute for vision, and that students with visual impairments also struggle with day-to-day activities that you might not think of, such as transportation and or social interactions. They don't have the same understanding of the world that people with vision or full vision do, and so it's important to remember that we treat all students with visual impairments with a level of understanding and respect, and give them any ability to reach their goals with the right resources and support that they need as teachers. Thank you. Good luck on your next clues.